In this video, let's check out the third generation of Apple AirPods. At the time of making this video, the third generation of Apple AirPods cost $280 here in Australia. Out of the box, you get the AirPods 3 along with the customary Apple leaflets and a USB-C to Lightning cable. In terms of size, it's almost the exact same dimensions as the AirPods Pro, but a bit smaller in width. And they also weigh a bit lighter than the AirPods Pro, which makes them super portable. The AirPods 3 earbuds have a similar shape to the AirPods Pro, but without the silicone tip. The case is also identical in the way it opens and feels on the hand. Plus, they are also IPX4 rated, sweat and water resistant. The AirPods 3 are very comfortable. They are actually feather light and you will not feel them after a certain period of time that if you have anything on your ears or not. But the fit is still as bad as the AirPods 2. Since they do not have a silicone ear tip like the AirPods Pro, I feel that the fit is not that secure. I tested them out while jogging outside today. While they did not fall out of my ears, but they were kind of very wobbly. I was constantly worried that they will fall out. Apple claims that the battery life is 6 hours of listening time with one charge on the earbud and 30 hours of total listening time with the case, which is a jump from AirPods Pro and the AirPods 2 in a very significant way. However, in my tests, I was able to get almost 7.5 hours of charge on the earbuds with music playing on 80% volume with no spatial audio on. Plus, if you put the earbuds back in its case for 5 minutes, it will give you 1 hour of listening time. So this is something I am really happy about. I'm sure you can pretty much go days without having to charge them. And when you will need to charge them, you can wirelessly charge them or you can use the MagSafe accessories. The AirPods 3 have similar controls as the AirPods Pro. You can pinch once to play and pause or answer calls, press twice to skip a song forward, press 3 times to skip back and hold to activate Siri. All of this work really well, and the best part is the feedback that you get when you press the stem. It kinda ensures you that it has registered your touch gestures so that you are not in any kind of doubt. The AirPods 3 connects via Bluetooth 5.0 technology, which is kind of old considering other players have already moved on to things like Bluetooth 5.2. But since it's got the Apple's H1 chip inside, it can provide things like quick connectivity and a stable connection over Apple's AAC codec. Then there is an enhanced Find My app which can help you track down your AirPods if you have lost them, which is pretty handy. They also give you separation alert when they are out of range, or you can have them play a sound to locate them. Unfortunately, noise cancellation is a feature that we do not get in the AirPods 3. But the worst thing is, since the fit of the earbuds is not tight, you will also not get any sort of passive noise cancellation. Which means there will be audio leakage, meaning others can hear what you are listening to if they're nearby, and the surrounding ambient sound will enter your ears pretty easily. Now, sound quality is an area where the AirPods 3 really shines. It gets spatial audio, which is basically like a virtual surround sound, and adaptive equalizer from the AirPods Pros and Maxes. I generally don't use the spatial audio when listening to music, as I like my music to be full and heavy and coming from all angles rather than balancing one or the other earbud depending on my head's position. But when watching movies, it does feel great. And the adaptive equalizer adjusts audio based on your head's shape and is supposed to give you the optimal sound based on the shape of your ears. I'm not entirely sure how this technology works, but what I have heard thus far is a louder and a clearer AirPods than I have ever heard before. The bass was accurate and thumpier than the previous generations, and the mid-range frequency was spot on where you have most of your sounds like lead instruments or vocals in a song. The treble may sound a little damp from time to time if you're listening to EDMs or hip-hop, as the bass can be a little overpowering, but in other genres, the overall sound signature is very warm and balanced. Testing the microphone of the third generation Apple AirPods. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. As you just heard, there is a noticeable difference in call quality from the previous generation of AirPods. The voice is loud and clear in a noisy and windy environment, but it still lets a lot of ambient sound in. So I'm not really sure if it would be wise to take a call in a very noisy environment with these new AirPods. So to wrap things up, I think the AirPods 3rd generation are definitely an update over the AirPods 2, there's no questions about that. While it does not provide noise cancellation feature like the AirPods Pro, they do have a lot of its cool features. My only concern is its price. With this much money, there are other headphones in the market which might fit your ears better. Which of course depends from individual to individual, but it will definitely come with noise cancellation like these new Jabra headphones. So I would recommend, if you can afford the AirPods Pro, then just buy that, or you can buy other alternatives which are at the same price of the AirPods 3. But if you don't mind having no ANC and the AirPods 3 fits your ears well, and you are also deeply invested in the Apple's ecosystem, then buying the AirPods 3 will make sense. But that's just me. Please let me know what your thoughts are on the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Nafis signing off till next week. Peace.